All right, topic 4, how to install a theme. So in the previous topic, we learned how to install a plugin. Now, very much on the similar lines, we will go ahead and install a theme as well. So let's get back onto our dashboard. So on a dashboard, I hope you remember where you can actually access the themes from. So you basically go on to the left, under appearance, you have the themes. So just go ahead and click on themes. Now, I did mention on the WordPress website also that there's a huge repository of themes that you can actually use from. I think there's well over 7,000 odd themes that are actually available for you free of cost. Now, what are themes? Themes are basically the skin of the website, your entire layout, the look and feel, the colors, the fonts, the layout in a gist. That is basically what your themes are. So let's click on themes, and you'll get to know there are well over 7,500 odd free themes that you can make use of. Now, these are the same themes which will even appear on your WordPress dashboard as well. Now, just like we did for the plugins as well, what you do is you can actually download the theme from here and upload the same in your dashboard. So let's get back to our dashboard over here. The same way, now currently this is the default theme that is actually there for your website. If you go to your website, you'll get to see this is the same look and feel. Now, please note, this eventual design that you actually see, the look and feel, you will have to develop it. This is basically just the color schemes, the font, and the layout, basically what will appear here. So the same thing, you will have to develop it over here. Currently you can see none of the content is there. It's just a basic website. As you know, we've even deleted the content, so you'll have to start creating those pages. It's just that the look and feel and the font will be similar to what you actually select. So now, like I said, this is the default theme which is installed currently. Now, how do you add a new theme? Just go ahead and click on add new here. Once you click on add new, like I mentioned for the plugins as well, you can click on upload theme, choose the file and install now. This exactly the same way how we have done for the plugins. Now, let's go ahead and see what all themes are actually available. Now, you can see some of the featured themes which I mentioned. Any theme that is very close to your line of business, you could select that and install it. Now, let's say, for example, you are in the education field. Let's say we'll type out education over here. You'll get to see a list of themes which are there in the education industry. You can select any one of these themes. Let's just probably click on one of them. Let's say details and preview. So now under the preview, you get a fair idea of how the website would actually look like. The about page, there's a parent page, there you have a sub page as well over here. Again, you can notice that the page doesn't look similar to what the design is. Just basically the font and the colors and the layout that you can actually implement into your own website. So one, if you like this, you can just go ahead and click on install. Now let's click on this cross button to get back to our themes page. Now you can, on a similar line, you can select for any other industry as well. Let's say you want to create maybe a shopping website, an e-commerce website. So let's type out shopping. So once you click on shopping, again, you get themes meant for a shopping website. So it is as simple as that. Once you select a theme which is very close to your line of business, you can just go ahead and install it. Let's say one last try, we'll try out real estate as well. For real estate, again, there you go. You have a number of themes available for the real estate website. Now, one very popular theme which is used and I use as well is ASTRA, Astra. You could select these. There is another one also which is called Generate Press. Any one of these you could use these. Why I use these are very light and very fast loading themes as well. So when speed is a major factor as well for you, for your SEO, for your page ranking. So I would always suggest going with something which is really light. Now, for the sake of this example, I will go ahead and select Astra and I will install this particular theme. So now how do we go ahead and install this theme on your theme? You can, maybe first we can just go and click on the details in preview. You can notice this is how it is currently because there's no content on your website. So what we do is I'll just click on cross. Now this button over here, just click on install. So now this particular theme is getting installed. Once it gets installed, it will say activate, and you go ahead and activate your theme. There you go, the theme is already installed. Now if you click on your themes, you will see we had only one theme previously, so this theme is also appearing here right now. So you can just go ahead and click on activate theme. So now your theme has been activated, new theme activated, visit the site. So now this is your current site with the default theme which we had when we installed WordPress. Let's just refresh this and you get to see there are some few changes. So that means the theme is has been activated and it's taking shape right now. So it's far from a completed website, which we will be doing step by step, but this is basically how you go ahead and install a theme. I've anyway told you how you can delete a theme as well. Let's say, for example, this particular theme, you want to delete it, just click on it, and on the right hand bottom corner you have this button called delete. So if you want, you could delete this right now, but I'll just leave it for the time being. So your theme is activated, and now we can go ahead and create our sample pages, and that we will cover in the next topic. So meet you up in the next topic now. Thank you.